Welcome to the service bay. I'll guide you through a complete safety and preventative maintenance check for your vehicle. Routine inspections are key to a long, safe, and reliable life for your car. Safety warning: never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Always use jack stands and wear protective eyewear and gloves. Ensure the engine is cool before checking fluids. Consult your owner's manual for specific fluid types and procedures. Under the hood inspection, check fluids, belts, and hoses with the engine off and cool. Check engine oil. Locate and remove the dipstick, wipe it clean, and reinsert it fully. Remove it again to check the oil level against the full and low marks. Top up if necessary. Dark brown/black oil is normal, but milky or gray oil suggests contamination, requiring professional attention. Inspect coolant. Caution: only open the cap when the engine is completely cool. Check the level in the overflow reservoir against the cold fill line. Top up with the correct mixture if needed. Look for oil slicks or debris in the coolant, which could indicate a serious problem. Brake fluid level. Locate the brake master cylinder reservoir. Ensure the fluid level is between the min and max lines. A low level can indicate worn brake pads or a leak. Never top up without checking the entire brake system. Note the fluid color. It should be clear, light yellow/amber. Dark brown/black fluid needs to be flushed. Power steering and washer fluid. Check the power steering fluid reservoir against the cold/hot lines. Ensure the windshield washer fluid is topped up for visibility. Belts. Inspect the serpentine and other belts for cracks, fraying, or excessive wear. Check the tension by pressing on the longest span. It shouldn't deflect more than about ½ an inch. Hoses. Squeeze the main radiator and heater hoses. They should be firm, not mushy or brittle. Check all connection points for leaks. Battery. Ensure the battery is securely mounted. Check the terminals for corrosion. Clean terminals using a wire brush and a baking soda/water mixture if needed. Tire, wheel, and brake inspection. Tires are your vehicle's only contact with the road, making this a critical check. Tire pressure. Use a reliable tire gauge to check the pressure in all 4 tires and the spare. Inflate to the pressure specified on the driver's side door jamb placard, not the maximum pressure listed on the tire sidewall. Tread depth and condition. Use a tread depth gauge to ensure the depth is above the legal minimum. Inspect the entire surface for uneven wear patterns, bulges, cuts, or embedded objects. Uneven wear often signals an alignment or suspension issue. Wheels and lug nuts. Look for any cracks, bends, or damage to the wheels. Ensure all lug nuts are present. Visual brake check. Inspect the brake rotor for deep grooves or scoring. Check the thickness of the brake pads. If they look thinner than about 3 millimeters, a professional inspection is needed. Exterior and lighting check. Ensure your vehicle is visible and your signals are working correctly. All exterior lights. Check headlights, taillights, brake lights, reverse lights, and all turn signals. Inspect lenses for cracks, fogging, or broken covers. Wipers and glass. Operate the windshield wipers and washers. Ensure the blades are intact and clear the glass effectively. Inspect the windshield and all glass for chips or cracks that could impede vision. Vehicle body. Check door and hood latches to ensure they secure properly. Look for rust, especially near wheel wells. Interior and test drive. The final steps involve the controls and a road test to feel for problems. Dashboard indicators. Turn the ignition to the on position. All warning lights should illuminate, then many should turn off once the engine is started. Pedals and horn. Ensure the brake pedal is firm and doesn't feel spongy. Test the horn. Seat belts. Check all seat belts for cuts or fraying. Tug sharply on the belt to ensure the locking mechanism engages. Road test. On a flat, straight road, the car should track straight without constant correction or pulling to one side. Braking. The car should stop straight and smoothly without excessive noise or vibration. Suspension. Listen for clunking or thumping over bumps. The car should not bounce excessively. Transmission. Automatic shifts should be smooth. Manual clutch should engage without slipping or chatter. Tools and materials for the complete safety check. Safety glasses, protective gloves, flashlight, jack stands. Tire pressure gauge, tread depth gauge. Shop rags/towels, manufacturer specified fluids. Wire brush, Baking soda, water for corrosion cleaning. Your vehicle's owner's manual.